Halachah number 15. Okay. So we continue with all of this halachas about food and his behavior, how he has to conduct himself, basically. Number 15. Conversely, whoever is idle and does not exercise or does not move his bowels when he has the need, or is constipated, even if he eats the proper food and takes care to follow the rules of medicine, he will be full of pain, and all his days and his strength will fade away. So let's do this paragraph. I mean, that's a lot of information. Let's read again. Conversely, whoever is idle and does not exercise. So I would say, like all of these office people, right? They sit on the desk and that's it, right? So that's not good. Or does not come to move his bowels when he has the need. I'm not sure why he would like. Maybe he has like this stressful work. He cannot go to the bathroom when he needs to. Also possible, right? Or is constipated. So it's okay. The issue. Even if he's the proper foods and take care to follow the rules of medicine. So basically, okay, so exercise, it's a must, and plus going to the bathroom, right? So if he does not go to the bathroom, so that's a big issue. So this way, it start poisoning his body. Yeah, go ahead. Moshe, you want to say something?
No, yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm like following.
Yeah. Medicine will be full of pain all his days, and his strength will fade away. So exercise. I mean, if you like, even with computer, like I don't know, like this office job. So you can stand, you can walk, and stuff like that. I mean, some kind of exercise is a must. Okay, so continue. Overeating is like a poison to anyone's body. It is the main source of all illness. So that's very straightforward, right? Do not overeat. So commentary said the similar remark in Brachas 32a.
Which is interesting because it's interesting because in the world today we live in, it's so easy to overeat because food is so accessible. Like everywhere you go, there's food. So.
And everybody's constantly eating. Yes, that's the big problem. Okay. Most illnesses which afflict man are caused by the harmful foods or by his filling his belly and overeating, even with healthy food. So that's very important statement. So one more time. Most illnesses which afflict the man are caused by harmful foods. I had I used to work with a guy, so he always joked like deep fry cannot taste bad. So Rabbi, deep fried is always good. He said even chocolate deep fried also good. You understand? So it's very not healthy. Or because when he overeats, also not healthy. Even healthy food. Okay. Also not good. This is implied by Shlomo in his wisdom. Whoever guards his mouth and his tongue guards his soul from distress. Okay, so from Proverbs 21:23. One more time. Whoever guards his mouth and his tongue guards his soul from distress. Actually, there are several interpretations. Other rabbis interpret it in the sense of not to speak lashon hara. Okay. There is guard his mouth from eating harmful foods, or eating his fill and his tongue from speaking about the things other than his needs. Okay, so mouth is about food and tongue is about lashon hara. Okay. Right. So they break it in two. Okay. Any comments, or we continue?
I'm good.
Okay, continue.